Python mocking of Boolean function. So I have just begun working with the mock library to perform some unit testing, but ran across a problem that is certainly mysterious to me. When I call the below code stream.open, always evaluates to true, as it seems to be returning the mock object rather than the false value. Test code. Called function. Is there a way to properly mock this function?
From your function here, stream seems to be a class. Since you create an instance of that class and then you call the open method on that instance, you need to do mock_stream.return_value.open.return_value equals false in the test function.
If you want to press slide in slide.